Finding the cubes and cube roots have always been a difficult task for the students. They spend a lot of time and effort but fail to get the answers. So today I'm here to help you out find the cube root of any perfect cube about 1000 in just 10 seconds. So let's get into the video. So before we begin, there are some basic things that you need to know. The first one is the cubes of 1 to 10, and the second thing is to know the digit in which each cube ends. So these are basic things and I hope you already know it. So let's just rewind it. First let's see the cubes from 1 to 10. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729 and 10 cube is 1000. Now let's see which digit each cube ends in. So 1 cube ends in 1 itself and 9 cube ends in 9. Now 2 cube ends in 8 and 8 cube ends in 2. So this is kind of pattern, okay? 3 cube ends in 7, 7 cube ends in 3. Well, 4 cube ends in 4 and 6 cube ends in 6. 5 cube ends in 5 and 10 cube ends in 0. Okay, so let's start with an example. A small number. How about the cube root of 2197? So, how do we find this? The step number 1 is to group this number. And how do we group? We start the grouping from the right side. And there will be 3 digits in each group. So when we start from the right, it would be like 1, 2, 3, this in one group, and this is remaining, so this is in the second group. Okay? Now, the answer would be in these 2 digits, and that would be, how would we find the first one? There is this 2. You should check this 2. So you need to find the least perfect cube before 2. So which is the least perfect cube before 2? Let's see. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. 2 is between them. So we take the number as 1. So here it is 1. Now the next thing, 197. So which is the last digit in it? It's 7. And which is the cube that ends in 7? That is 3 cube, right? So we write here 3. So the answer is 13. Yes, it's so simple. So cube root of 2197 is 13. Now let's take a new example. A little more bigger number. How about 7,04,969? Okay, so let's write it. The cube root of 7,04,969. It's a big number, right? Okay, so what was the first step? I hope you remember it. Yes, you need to group them from the right side. And how many digits in first group and second group? In each group, there would be 3 digits. So this 3 would be one group. This 3 would be another group. Okay, now what is the thing that you need to do? You need to fill these 2 digits. And how do we fill it? Let's see. 704. Which is the least perfect cube before 704? Okay, let's see. What is 8 cube? 512. What is 9 cube? 729. So this number 704 comes between them. So we take the number as 8. We write here 8. Now tell me 969. Which is the last digit in 969? It's 9. And which is the perfect cube that ends in 9? It is 9 cube. So here it would be 9. And the final answer would be 89. Yes, you found the answer. That was too quick, and with practice, you can find the answer in just 10 seconds. And for the last example, a bigger number, okay? So that would be like 9 lakh 12,673. Okay, so let's write it. The cube root of 9 lakh 12,673. Okay, so now you're gonna tell me the first step. What is it? Yes, to group the numbers. So how many digits in one group? Yes, there will be 3 digits. So we start from right. This is one group and this is the other group. Okay, you need to fill these 2 digits. First is 912. Tell me which is the least perfect cube before 912. So that would be, what is 9 cube? 729. And what is 10 cube? It's 1000. 912 comes between these 2. So it would be 9 here. Now tell me 673. Which is the last digit in it? Yes, it's 3. So which is the perfect cube that ends in 3? Yes, it is 7. So it would be 7. So the final answer is 97. And so the cube root of 9,12,673 is 97. Yes, this was a very big number and you found the answer very quickly. So this is a very simple method because with practice you can do it in 10 seconds. So this method is applicable for any perfect cubes above 1000 and up to 6 digits. Okay. So with constant practice and effort, you can get it right. So I hope this video helped you a lot and you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe fast to get the notifications of my latest videos. Until we meet in the next video, bye, take care.